Let me introduce myself. I am Gige Fridantari from Postgraduate Program of Mathematics Education UNS. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for the time given. Secondly, thanks to the Committee of International Conference of Mathematics and Mathematics Education. I would like to present my article entitled Understanding of Mathematical Concepts, Investigating the Characteristic of the Best Three Students' Thinking Processes. The aims of the study to describe the characteristic of high school students' understanding of mathematical concepts based on Bloom's taxonomy in solving three variables linear equation system problems. According to the National Research Council, there are 5 abilities that must be developed in learning mathematics in schools. Those are conceptual understanding, procedural fluency, strategic competence, adaptive reasoning, and productive disposition. Concept understanding is the ability to understand abstract ideas and basic objects, and relate relevant mathematical notations and symbols to mathematical ideas, then combine them into a series of logical reasoning. And also, concept understanding is a basic and an important skill in mathematics learning. Understanding the concept, according to Bloom, is an individual's ability to capture information and be able to explain it in a simpler form. The method used in this study is a qualitative method based on post-positivism or interpretive philosophy, and is used to examine the condition of natural objects, where the researchers are the key instrument. The subjects taken were 3 students of class 10 science at SMA Negeri 1 Pacitan. The topic, 3-variable linear equation system. The sampling technique used purposive sampling. Conceptual understanding indicator is a variable that is measured in this study. The data collection technique was done by triangulation, which is a combination of observations, interviews, and data obtained in the field. Data analysis techniques used for data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusions. The instruments used in this study were mathematics conceptual understanding tests and interview guidelines. The concept understanding test refers to Bloom's taxonomy indicators. Those are: translation is the ability to translate a problem presented in the abstract to be more concrete, and the ability to translate a correlation in symbolic form, including illustration, maps, tables, diagrams, graphs, mathematical equations, and other formulas into verbal form, and vice versa. Interpretation is the ability to recognize and understand the main material or idea of a communication that is recorded, modified, or arranged in another form. Extrapolation is the ability to conclude something that exists according to known data by expressing implications that are in line with the conditions described. Results and discussion. In the pre-activity, a test was conducted to collect initial data, which aims to determine the students' initial ability to understand concepts after studying the 3-variable linear equation system topic. Here are the test items you can see and read. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Analysis of conceptual understanding of rank, first, second, third students. S1. Subject with the first rank. In the first question, with translation indicator, S1 was able to translate problems from several sentences into a 3-variables linear equation system. In the second question, S1 was able to translate the question in the table into the form of a three variables linear equation system based on problems in everyday life. In the third question, with interpretation indicator, S1 was able to understand problems in everyday life and students solved the problem from the question. In the fourth problem, S1 is able to solve a three variables linear equation based on the conditions written. In the fifth question, with extrapolation indicator, S1 was able to conclude and solve implication problems that are in line with the given conditions. In the sixth question, S1 was able to conclude and solve implication problems that are in line with the given conditions. S2, subject with the second rank. In the first question, with translation indicator, S2 was able to translate problems from several sentences into a three-variable linear equation system. In the second question, S2 is able to translate the question in the table into a three-variable linear equation based on problems in everyday life. In the third question, with interpretation indicators, S2 was able to understand problems in everyday life and students solved the problems from the questions given. In the fourth question, S2 was able to solve three-variable linear equation based on the condition written. In the fifth question, with extrapolation indicator, S2 was not able to conclude and solve the implication problem that is in line with the given condition. In the sixth question, with extrapolation indicators, S2 was not able to conclude and solve the implication problem that is in line with the given condition. S3, subject with the third rank. In the first question, with translation indicator, S3 was able to translate problems from several sentences into a three-variable linear equation. In the second question, S3 was able to translate the question in the table into a three-variable linear equation based on problems in everyday life. In the third question, with interpretation indicator, S3 has not been able to understand problems in everyday life yet could still solve problem from the question given. In the fourth question, S3 was not able to solve the three-variable linear equation problem based on the conditions written. In the fifth question, with extrapolation indicator, S3 has not been able to conclude and solve the implication problem that is in line with the given conditions. In the sixth question, with extrapolation indicators, S3 was not able to conclude and solve the implication problem that is in line with the given conditions. Here are the interview with the subject. First, interview with the second subject. Have looked the interview. Second, interview with the third subject. The result obtained are students with first rank can translate problems from several sentences into a three-variable linear equation system, solve three-variable linear equation problems based on written conditions, and conclude implication problems that are in line with the given conditions. Student with the second rank does not master the extrapolation indicator, so that student cannot conclude the final answer to the problem. Meanwhile, student with the third rank still has difficulty at the interpretation stage, so that student misinterpreted the problem into a three-variable linear equation, which results in errors at the conclusion stage. According to Fahrudin, Suliana, and Bintaro, understanding concepts is more important than memorizing. So, by practicing the habit of understanding concepts, there are no more students who experience errors in interpreting concepts or experiencing misconceptions. Four factors that have an influence on cognitive development, according to Piaget, are maturity of the brain and nervous system, experience consisting of physical and logical mathematical, social transmission, and equilibration. There are deep ways to stimulate recovery for elementary age students who find it difficult to understand mathematical concepts and affect their cognitive development. The methods proposed by Yeni and Al-Muslim are as follows. Territorial method, a method that requires competent assistants who have special skills for students who have difficulty learning mathematics. The method commonly used is counting by hand. Visual method, by starting the real thing to the abstract. Utilization of learning with picture media that does not include numbers accompanied by storytelling to explain pictures, and preparing for practice and repeating. Conclusion. Based on the results and discussion, it can be concluded that the three subjects have different levels of conceptual understanding of the three variables linear equation system topic. There are students who have not mastered all indicators of understanding mathematical concepts. Students are confused in making conclusions in solving problems, and based on the results of the written test, it is known that students' understanding of mathematical concepts is still low. The results of the interview also show that only a few indicators can be mastered by students, including translating the questions in the table into a three-variable linear equation system based on problems in everyday life. Thus, the solution of further research is to provide appropriate methods to prevent and reduce students' learning difficulties in understanding mathematical concepts and develop more effective learning and teaching patterns so that students' level of understanding of concepts can develop and increase, and students can better understand concepts. Researchers also suggest to apply more indicators of understanding mathematical concepts developed by experts to make questions. For further research, it is also good to research conceptual understanding on other mathematical concepts and design learning that can improve the ability to understand mathematical concepts. These suggestions are given with consideration of the importance of conceptual understanding to be mastered by students in order to facilitate students in participating in learning and solving problems. That's all my presentation.